So I got these, and this is on my haul video if you haven't watched that yet. I'm sorry, my camera's a little low so you guys can see the table, see what I'm doing. And I'll move you closer in a second. But I got these little starter kits. This one is sweet basil, cilantro, and dill. This one is arugula, spinach, and red Russian kale. That'll go good with the purple kale, right? That we are growing. So, I'm going to bring y'all a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to unbox one of these, we'll pull it out and see what we got. Okay, so, there's all kinds of stuff in here, y'all. I know these are the seeds. There is an app you can download. My Garden Tutorials. Anyway, these are the seed sheets. These are the seeds, the 3 types of seeds. I know that much for sure. Then there's this bowl. I'm assuming this is the growing medium. Not sure what this one is, but it looks like maybe a sprinkler. A sprinkler head, maybe it hooks on a 2-liter bottle, a 20-ounce bottle. That would be pretty cool, right? And some kind of little stick. So, I'm assuming there are instructions here somewhere. They're not in the box, so they gotta be on the box somewhere, right? Let me see. Dissolvable seed pods contain organic seeds and soil, and when watered, the pod will dissolve and seeds sprout through the openings in the weed blocking fabric. Cool. So we're just supposed to plant. Now there have to be instructions here somewhere. Hold on, you guys. A fabric garden container. This is fabric. The seeds. So breathable fabric blocks the weeds. Here we go. Fill up the fabric container with the included soil. Let me grab my scissors, guys. Oh, it's a Ziploc. Never mind, I don't need it. So, fill up the fabric container with the included soil. Oh, that's nice, rich looking soil too, you guys. I'll get some out here in a second and show you. I'm not sure about this fabric bowl. I'm probably going to have to place this on a plate in order to move it somewhere, but let me show y'all a little bit of this. Really nice looking soil. Yeah. It says to fill it up. I'm not sure it's going to hold all this. There's still more in the bag. Guess we're going to find out though, right? There's still a little bit more in the bag, but that looks full to me. Make sure I got it all the way around, and maybe it'll hold a little bit more, I think. Once I get it down in the sides like this. But it wasn't quite going in and filling in the sides, so yeah, that definitely made some more room. So, that is all of the soil in that little bag. Place the seed sheet on top. So, This is the seed sheet. As you can see, one side is deeper than the other, so I'm assuming that's the side that needs to go into the soil. Add water. It's that. If that's not easy, I don't know what is. And there is a stake here, which goes right here, and there's a slot cut out for it. Right through the center. We've got it secured. Now I believe this is going to fit a bottle, so let me go get a 20-ounce bottle and I'll be right back. I was right. How cool is that? Fits a 20-ounce bottle. I know Tessie uses a 20-ounce bottle and she just pokes some caps and holes in the cap, but how cute is that, y'all? So, add the water. Make sure we cover this because it's supposed to dissolve. I am so gonna love this little watering top thing. Still soaking up all that water. There's a lot of soil. It wasn't real. It's kind of dry. Just want to make sure I get a bunch on here. So there you go, you guys. This one, I'm gonna have to put something on here. We'll use this. Watch. Let me grab a pen. So, sweet basil, cilantro, and dill. Use what you got, right guys? We'll just slip that right there. So, that's one. I'm going to get the other one done and I'll bring you back in a minute when I get them both done. So I thought I'd show you real quick. It's a little clearer on this one. The seeds are in the bottom. Can y'all see them moving around? See them right there? And then this is surrounded by a growing medium that actually covers them once you water it. Pretty cool. And there's the hole right in the center for the stake. All right, y'all. I got them done. Let me show you. Are those two stinking cute? Salad sheets. Sorry, my hand's a little wobbly. I took you off the tripod. But there you go. Salad sheets. So this one is the arugula, spinach, and red Russian kale. These are the herbs with the sweet basil, cilantro, and dill. And I thought I'd show you real quick. When it says it dissolves, that little plastic sheeting it was on, check this out. It's breaking away to where you just got this medium on top. And once it breaks away, inside it's still damp, so I'm going to need to put a little bit more water here right directly on the seeds. But what do you think, y'all? In the famous words of Mr. Dan over at Home in the Sticks, I am getting my grow on, y'all. I'm so super excited. So let me give you a quick peek at the tomatoes. Y'all will not believe this. When I said earlier in my vlog that these maters got to get planted and planted soon, check this out, y'all. Check out my maters. And yes, it is time to rotate my plant so we can keep them upright. My strawberries over there, poor things, did not come up. But we'll get some starters or something if it's a little later. So, check out my maters, y'all. I am so super stoked. Yeah. So, 2 different varieties of maters. Arugula, spinach, red Russian kale, sweet basil, cilantro, and dill. That's what I'm planting. Everything else is at Andy's, but that's what I'm planting here. So, Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Go check this out, Seed Sheet. So, have a great day, guys. Love y'all.